If you think AI sales enablement is here to replace you, or it's only for data wizards that are, locked in a dark server room, you've been told some bad fiction. Let's bust these myths before they bust your results. So, myth number one is AI replaces the human touch. AI doesn't replace people. Doesn't replace a lot of us anyway. It releases them. It takes the boring, repetitive, soul-sucking tasks off the plate so you can do the fun stuff, build human relationships, solve real problems, close deals, help other people even use their AI tools better. So here's an action step you can try. Write down one task that you've secretly been dreading doing this week. Feed it to an AI tool and see what happens. Worst case, you've wasted 5 minutes. Best case, you just saved several hours and your sanity. The idea here is just not to be scared of it. Just be bold and experimental. Sometimes the experiments will work and sometimes they won't. But if they work, they really do save you a lot of time. So myth number two, AI is only for data people, right? The truth is you don't need a PhD in data science to use AI. You don't even need to like spreadsheets. If you can order coffee at Starbucks, you can prompt AI because it's both about knowing what you want and asking for it. Ask for it simply, ask for it clearly, ask for it in great detail, and you'll get what you need. So for this myth, take this action step. Take one sales enablement asset you've already created, like a battle card or an email template or an onboarding checklist, and ask AI to give it a glow up, right? Ask it to give punchier headlines, use bullets, fresher examples, or a version tailored to a specific industry. No coding, no algorithms, just have a written conversation and see what you get. Actually, you can also have a verbal conversation now with a mic. Try it out, see what happens. So myth number three that we're gonna bust here is our team's not ready for it yet. The truth is AI is not coming. It's already here. Your competitors have it, making them faster, sharper, and more prepared. So don't wait until it's perfect. Don't do that. Get ahead of the line. Don't be the blockbuster to their Netflix. This action step, I'm recommending you take a low risk project, right? And pilot it where AI can shine in days, not months. For example, summarizing sales calls or generating personalized follow-up emails. Run this pilot for 30 days, measure the results, and then decide. AI isn't your enemy, it's your collaborator. It amplifies already what you do best and clears the clutter so you can focus on strategy, creativity, and human connection. The only real risk is ignoring it and not having fun with it. Be bold, experiment. Don't let the others fly past you. I look forward to hearing your examples and what works for you and what didn't, and figuring out even better ways to make this your favorite collaboration tool.